Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to design a page. So basically, we will be starting with the builder. Now, let me just tell you what is a builder in WordPress. So, see guys, basically WordPress is a no-code website builder, okay, or it is also a CMS. CMS means content management system, okay. We are not going to use any programming language to code in WordPress, right? So in WordPress, okay, if you want to build a website, you need a website builder, right? Yes, and the builder we are going to use is Elementor. Elementor website builder. We also have DB builder and other builders, but Elementor is good for beginners and it is very easy to use. Okay, and it is also free. It has a free version to use, right? It also has upgraded version, but we don't need that. Okay, yes. So let me just open WordPress. So how we can open the WordPress? Just find this local email system, double click on it. Yes. Let's wait for it to open. Yeah, once it opens, you need to click on your project. So demo_1 was the project that we created. So let's click on it. And then we need to navigate to WordPress admin. Let's click on it and let it open WordPress admin. So it has navigated us to the WordPress admin dashboard. See, this time it didn't ask me to log in because last time I have given my ID and password and it is already saved. Okay. If it is not saved, you have to give your user ID and password and you have to log in, right? Once you have logged in, you will be in the WordPress admin dashboard page. Yes. So this is WordPress admin dashboard and we have learned about all these options in the previous video. Okay. If you have not gone through that video, please go through that video and then you will be able to understand what we are going to do today. But if you have gone through the previous video, you can continue with this current session, right? So let me just click on pages here, and here you can see all the pages that we have in our website right now. And if you remember, in the last video we have created this homepage and blogs page, right? So today we are going to start with the editing part. Before we start with the editing, one more thing that we need to do is we need to install a theme. Okay, what is a theme? Theme installs default styling for our font colors, text, font family, line height, letter spacing, all those things, right? So how we can install a theme? Left hand side, you can just click on this appearance. Okay, click on appearance and you can see these are the themes that we have, okay, in our WordPress. So I will click on add theme. Okay, at the top you have add theme button. Click on this add theme and you can search for Astra. Okay, Astra. We are going to use Astra theme, right? Yes, if you search here, this is the Astra theme. Install it and activate it. Okay, just click on the install button. Once it is installed, you need to activate it. It's installing now. Let's wait. And then activate. Yeah. So we have successfully installed and activated the Astra theme. And once you install and activate, you will see all these options enabled: design, customize, widgets, menu, theme, file editor. Okay. And these are very, very important options. Okay. We will need these options, but not right now. We will learn about these options in the coming sessions, right? Yes. Once you have installed Astra theme, you can click on this plugins section. Okay, just click on plugins. Once you click on plugins, okay, now this particular window is showing all the installed plugins. So we have not installed any plugins till now. That is why it is blank. Okay, but if I click on add plugin button here, then you can see these are the plugins that we can install into our WordPress. And what are plugins? Plugins adds additional functionality to our WordPress website, right? So let me search for Elementor here. Okay, search for Elementor, guys. Yes. So this is Elementor plugin. As you can see, Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. Yes. Search for this plugin, install it. Okay. And then once it is installed, activate it. It's taking longer than expected. Let's wait. Yeah, it's installed. Now I have to click on this activate button. Let me just dismiss this. And you can see in the installed plugins section, this is the plugin that we have. Okay, we have installed only one plugin. If you click on add plugin, then you will be able to see all the other plugins which are available in the WordPress server. Okay, but you need to install it to use it. If you click on installed plugins, then you can see all the plugins that you have installed in your WordPress, right? Now you can see here Elementor, then settings, deactivate. If you want to remove a plugin, if you don't want to use a plugin, you can click on deactivate. Okay, and after you deactivate, you will get a trash option and you can delete it. Okay, I will show you that removing. I will show you how to remove that plugin later. Right now, just focus on installing this plugin, activating it, and now we are going to see how we can use this plugin. Okay, see, using this builder, we can build a website by just drag and drop. Okay, it helps us to use drag and drop functionality and to build a web page using just dragging and dropping, right? Without writing a single line of code. Yes, that is why it is easy to build a website in WordPress. So let me just click on pages and let me show you how you can use Elementor. Okay, click on pages, all of you. Okay, and you can just navigate to this home page and just move your cursor over the name and you will see edit option here. Click on this edit option, and as you have installed Elementor plugin, you should see this button here, edit with Elementor. Okay, you should see this button. Click on this edit with Elementor and it will open this home page in Elementor Editor. Okay, yes. So if you see this pop-up, you can just close it, guys. Any kind of pop-up you get, close it, close it. Okay, this is Elementor Editor. Okay, and left-hand side you can see layout and basic elements. Okay, basically these are elements. You can see heading, image, video, divider, spacer, Google Maps. Okay, so once you are on this particular page, you need to first click on this page settings at the left hand side top, click on page settings, scroll down, and you should find this page layout option. Instead of default, okay, make it Elementor full width. Okay, yes, make it Elementor full width, and now you can see this is our Elementor editor, and we have selected our home page and we can start building the page right now. Okay, yes, I will just show you how you can start with it. We are going to build a page in the next video. Okay, so let me just click on this plus button and let me just click on flexbox, and let's click on this section of two. Select your structure. Basically, how do you want to structure this particular section? So let me just select this section of two. Okay, so this is called as skeleton, okay, or section. How you are going to organize your content, right, on the page. These sections are going to help you, or these layouts are going to help you in structuring your content on the page, right? You have different types of sections here. Let me just add few sections. Xbox and section of 4. Okay, it is dividing this rectangle into 4 different sections. This one is dividing this rectangle into 2 different sections. Okay, so accordingly we can use, and if you want to remove a section, you can just click on this close button. Okay, close, right? This is it in this for this video, guys. Okay, we are going to start with the designing in the next video. Thank you for listening to me.